Hi everyone, my name is Rachel from the Marks Group Live, and I'm here today to teach you how to update your personal settings in Zoho CRM. The main takeaways for this video is where do you access your basic settings in Zoho CRM, and how do you go ahead and change them. If you have any questions about this after the video, please feel free to send us an email at support@marksgrouplive.com. You can send us an email about this or anything Zoho. One of our trainers will be happy to answer you. And also, please feel free to rate our video after it's over. This won't only help us improve our video library, but it will also help us reach other Zoho users so they can find us and get all this great information. All right. So here we are at the Zoho homepage. We use Zoho 1 here at Marks Group Live for our training environment. So if you use Zoho Plus, things might look a little bit different. I'll try to point out any differences that might affect what we're talking about today. If you come across anything else and you have any questions, please feel free to send us an email. But again, here we are at our home page. And how we access our settings is at the setup area of the CRM. So if you look up in the right-hand corner, you will see a little wrench and screwdriver icon. If you're using Zoho Plus, that icon actually looks like a bicycle gear. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and this will take us to our setup page. If your setup page doesn't look quite like ours, we have the super administrative access on our Zoho account, which means that we can access like every little customization capability that the CRM has to offer. If you have just like a general user, you might not be able to see all these things, so it might look a little empty, but that's okay. You got what you need. So the personal settings is found under the general section, which is all the way to the left. It says personal settings. You can also always search for it here in the search bar. So I'll go ahead and click on that, and it will take us to our personal settings. So in Zoho, you will find that anything that has a little, this pencil icon next to it, that means that you can edit it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can edit your user information. Click on that. And here we are in our account information. You can edit anything that doesn't have this little lock icon next to it. When that is there, that means that it is read only. But you can go ahead and change your first name, your last name, your email, any aliases or nicknames you go by, phone, mobile number, website, fax, birthday. These are all things that you can change. You can also go ahead and change your address information if you move. This is just helpful, little nifty thing you can change easily. If there's a red line next to a certain box, that means that that box needs to be filled out for you to be able to save your information. So if I were to delete my email address, it wouldn't let me save and keep going. I'll make a quick change. I'll call us, maybe we moved to 100 East City Avenue. I'll go ahead and save and remove down the road. You'll see the little update was successful banner at the top of your page. And if you scroll down, you should see changes made immediately. We moved from 200 East City to 100 East City. You can always add any social profiles, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook by clicking add. And you can authorize that through your, through your particular social media account that's managed through the Zoho social app. The next thing you can change or play around with is the locale information. Click on this button. You can change which language you'd like for the CRM to be in, which country you live in, the time format, whether you want it 12 hours or in military 24 hours, or what time zone you're in. Go ahead and change that all. save. One of the things I didn't mention is, although this is a cloud-based software, everything is saved to the internet, through the CRM you do have to click save for something to be saved. Otherwise, it won't change. So, just a helpful tidbit going through the CRM. The next thing is the signature. This will be blank when you're setting up your account. This is the signature that will be sent out whenever you send out an email or a message from the CRM. So, we put our name here, Marks Group Live Trainer. You can add, your phone number. We hyperlinked to an email us. So if we go ahead and check that out, you click the little chain link that's over here on the left side. That will send us right to your email. We did the same thing for our website. Oh, there's no website. That will hyperlink to our website. And then we added an image. You can add an image here in this little add an image icon, insert image next to the smiley face, little rising sun. You can choose a file. You can format it here. You also have the option to choose a picture from a web URL. I don't really recommend doing that because if the web URL was to change, that could be a broken link and then the picture might not show up and you might not realize that this doesn't look super professional. I'll go ahead and save that. You'll see there's changes. I added the phone number. I fixed the Marks Group Live link. It takes us to the website. I'm not going to let that load. My computer's been a little slow today. The next is allowed IP addresses. This is if you are using a VPN, this will allow you to see kind of who from what IP address, like where they can access this. So if you only want people to access your information from an Office VPN, this is where you would set that up. I'll go back to my personal settings here. Scroll on down. The next is the display name format. This is how you might want the names to be displayed in your CRM. So do you want it to be salutation, Mr., Miss, Doctor, first name, last name? Do you want last name, first name first? Gives you a couple of different configurations. And that setup, whatever you choose, is not global throughout the entire organization. It's just how Zoho will organize it for you. Down here's a little fun thing. It's a theme. What colors do you want to see? We have it as light blue right now. Maybe I'll change it to green. Easy peasy. Changes the colors of your CRM. And the last little thing is this icon photo. So this will show up, when you're interacting with other members of your, of your team, anything that you do, this icon photo will show up next to it. I'll go ahead and click change. You can upload a photo by browsing local files. Again, you can't see this right now, but it just takes me to my regular browse files. I have a Mac, so it shows me that. And I click which photo I would like to upload. I upload it, and then you can crop the photo to look how you would like it to look. Maybe a little smaller. It's funny that they make you crop it in a square, but the actual icon shows up as a circle. I'll crop and set. And then there is my logo. I actually changed this logo to our white background logo, so it's easier to see up in this corner. You also will see your logo. So that is it for our personal settings. You access them from the setup page, and then you can go ahead and change them with anything that has the pencil icon next to it. It's pretty easy to just go ahead and change it and save it, and then it will be updated in your CRM. So thank you so much for checking us out today. Again, if you have any questions about this or anything Zoho related, send us an email at support@marksgrouplive.com and one of our trainers will get back to you ASAP. Please check out our video archive that goes over anything and all things Zoho. And we hope to see you back again soon. Have a great day.